We have an absolute story. The first issue we had was we were on a walk to a lake, and beer-starred lake. If you ever go, it's really, really nice.
Oh, good.
That, yeah, wow, is a photo.
But if you're coming back and you want to get to the car park, if you see a sign which says parking free shuttle bus parking, do not go that way. And then the second mistake we made was, what was the second mistake that we made?
No, we made two more mistakes. So
yeah.
I thought, my mistake was that I thought we could carry on the road down that we were going down, which ends at Bear Lake, thinking we could get out of the park on the south side, which was wrong.
Yeah.
It wasn't the road that goes all the way through. So we went back to the top, to Estes Park, and went west for about 20 minutes,
yeah.
I'd say, on the proper route round to Glenwood Springs, and then we found out right at the top of the mountain that the road was shut. So.
And we got up that morning about 6:30, and we probably got back to this place just behind us. 2:15?
Yeah.
Tiring. Now we're gonna do another big hike today. Right. The beginning of Hanging Lake. Trail is difficult apparently. I think overall we're only like a few steps into helping Johnny finish the stereotypes of America. What have we done so far?
What have we done? Popeyes.
Popeyes was
I got
one.
a 7-Eleven slushie.
Yeah.
Drove a pickup.
Oh yeah, that's a quite big one.
That is
Pick up in America is good.
Yeah.
Waffles for breakfast.
Waffles for breakfast.
Waffles, yeah.
That's about it really, I think.
Still got a lot to do.
I shouted Murica a few times.
America! America!
America.
Murica.
And here we are wasting time on trails and stuff, national parks. So we made it, and we were lied to. Apparently it was meant to be 0.7 miles to get up here, and I reckon we've easily done
At least
2.
17.
Okay, at least 17.
At least 17.
But it's, I mean, it's amazing.
It's like unbelievable. So now we're gonna head up all around that way. And come back down.
So you can't go up that way. Back where we came. We're gonna get wet. This is way better than down there, I reckon. Wow! Wow! Yeah, I'll show you this. This is amazing. So the waterfall's just behind me. That was a really, really cool experience. We're heading back now because we're going to do another trail, and it's going to be like 4 or 5 hours, so we need to kind of get going.
No Name Colorado hiking. The No Name Trail is also known as the Jess Weaver Trail and is considered by some as one of the best hikes in Glenwood Canyon. It follows No Name Creek, which flows year round and is supplemented by a diversion that brings water from the larger Grizzly Creek drainage into the No Name Basin to supply the city of Glenwood Springs with water. The trail is well defined and maintained, but can be strenuous at times. Highlights include beautiful streamside hiking with frequent crossings from one bank to the other and waterfall views.
I think we should do the one which is the best one in Colorado.
Grizzly Creek, I agree.
Yeah, we're going to Grizzly Creek. We're here, Grizzly Creek.
Grizzly Creek.
Grizzly Creek?
I think it's probably up that way. Let's go!
6.8 miles out and back. Let's do it.
I don't think we've gone very far at all. The only other thing, we often smell weed on these hikes. It's legal, so I don't have a problem with it. Surely they're just exhausted. How can they do that? You could tell by how glistening I am that it's been a rough ride getting down here. We might be slightly disappointed because this is it.
We came down there. There's not even good access to the water.
We struggled to get here. I think a big part of it is actually the hike.
That's the spirit.
That's. You know what you could do? This is more like it. But we made it, and this bit is better. He was struggling a little bit, but we all made it. It's totally worth it. Now we've just got to get back. Honestly, probably one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen. Oh.
Oh. That's so cool.
Running in circles.
Comprehensive review of Dave and Christine's Airbnb. Kitchen, toilet, bedroom 1, bed 2, stuff. There's a really big bedroom. I don't know what this is. Ooh. Ooh. Very good. What's the weather like tomorrow?
Weather alert for Denver. There's a flash flood watch in effect until Sunday, May 20th, 12 a.m. Here's the forecast for tomorrow. Look for thunderstorms with a high of 48 degrees and a low of 40 degrees.
Whilst we're making food, it's important to know that if you ever take Grizzly Creek Trail, just prep yourself properly for it. Water, food, and as the hiking master over here said, take good ample rest. Like sit down for like 10 minutes. It's a lot longer than you think it is. Other thing, when you get to the end, you're going to be slightly disappointed initially. It's quite small, but climb a big rock, you'll see a lot of the stuff.